Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. And how are you all? I hope all are fine, good, going on, doing good. Take of your health. So today's video I will show you beautiful and good decoration room. If you like, please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and comment me down if you like this for this room decoration. So you can see this one. You can keep your things, you can keep your perfume, you can keep flower, anything. It will be looking beautiful for design decoration. And you can see this one also. You can keep for decoration, you can keep any teddy or perfume or anything, or you can keep your photos also. It will be looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also. You can you can do any plant. You can put here any plant you can put it will for looking decoration good. And you can see this also. Look friends, pictures they put here, maybe someone's birthday or simply for decoration they will do it. And you can see this one also for keeping perfume and all. It is also looking good. It is also very beautiful, looking good. And you can see this one in black theme and silver color wall and black color lamp. And you can see the plant also very beautiful. The cupboards you can see very beautiful. The down below welcome is written. And you can see this one also means like old olden days, olden years. They keep things like this, books or pictures or anything. And you can see this one also. It is a normal, but it is okay. It is okay also because it is plants are there and it is okay for living in the room. And you can see this also friends, maybe photos or simply for decoration they put. It is also good. You can see the lights in the side of the lights, and you can see this one also. The decoration is beautiful. For keeping things, you can keep there your photo, your the friend's photo, your other friend's photo. And you can see this also. You can keep your shoes here, any beautiful Nike shoes, new decoration shoes. And you can see this one also. This you can see the plants. It is decoration is beautiful. Okay, decoration. The side plants are going down, and the chairs you can use study here, use laptop. And this one you can see the rose. It is also beautiful rose. It is also looking very beautiful for decoration. And you can see this one also. You can keep your things, you can keep your clock also. You can keep the dates, that one page also you can keep here for looking beautiful. And you can see this one also. They put your time, they put your pencil, rubber and all. This decoration is also very beautiful decoration guys. I like this one also. You can see this one also. The if you guys like, then thank you for watching and have a nice